Good morning everyone, it's Ty from DR Property Guys, and today I've got a lovely little 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom beachside apartment to show you. It's on a 2nd floor, it measures approximately 66 square meters, and don't worry, I'm going to put the price in the description below. Let's not waste any more time, let's get to the front of the building and show you around. So come on inside and let's take a look around. And here is your beachside pool location. So I did say that it's a beachside apartment. Let's take you to the beach. Follow me. So that's it. Like I say, I'm going to leave the price and the full description below here. You can also visit our website, which is of course drpropertyguys.com. I'm leaving a link up here for that. Click down here to subscribe to our channel. Click up here for the last real estate video we did, and down here for a totally random DR Property Guys video.